Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start in Chrome, open the three-dot menu and choose Settings, then navigate to System. Once there, click Open your computer's proxy settings. This hands control to the OS-level proxy panel. You need admin rights for persistent changes, so if prompted, authenticate. While you're in the settings, note whether a proxy is set manually or via script URL. That determines the toggles you will change next. Proceed once you see the System Proxy dialog. Now you focus on turning the proxy off. If there's use a proxy server switch, toggle it off. If manual host and port fields are filled, clear them and set to blank. If a PAC or automatic configuration script URL is present, remove it or disable auto-detect as appropriate. Make sure to click Save or Apply so settings take effect. Once done, close the dialog and return to Chrome to confirm the browser uses a direct connection. Finish by restarting Chrome and loading a simple website to confirm connectivity. You should see pages load normally. Make sure no system-level VPN or adapter-level proxy remains active. Open network settings to verify. If pages still fail or routing goes through a proxy, flush your DNS cache with ipconfig/flushtons or restart the machine to clear lingering routes. If you still see proxy behavior, check browser extensions and corporate policies. They can reapply proxy settings silently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.